Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on the Temu app to enhance the security of your account. So, let's get right into it. First, open the Temu app on your device. Once you've opened the app, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. In the settings menu, click on Account Security at the top of the list. Now, tap on the option for two-factor authentication. This is where we'll set up the extra layer of security for your account. After that, select the option to add your phone number. You'll be asked to enter your phone number here. You'll then receive a code via SMS. Once you get the code, enter it into the app to verify your number. Once you've entered the code, two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled on your account. From now on, you'll need this extra code when logging into your Temu account, making it much more secure. That's it for today's tutorial on how to enable two-factor authentication on the Temu app. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.